Today is my day off and I couldn't be bothered to dress up. So I just had a wonderful bath and I still wanted to film this video, so I will. So while I'm building my lights, let me just quickly explain to you what I'm going to do today. So today we'll be filming a really exciting video and it will be organizing my craft stuff. So it's a really long overdue video to make. I think I received a package of all my craft materials back in December and they've been staying in boxes in a corner and it's been bugging me. I can't find anything and I definitely feel unmotivated to do anything because I can't find anything. So today I will be organizing all my art stuff, all my art materials, and hopefully it will inspire me to create more things. Let me show you what I will be using to organize my art materials. So I recently bought these boxes, which are by the brand, I don't know if you could see, but the brand is actually called Really Useful Box, and I thought it was a hilarious name. So I have these boxes and they have really nice lids. So ideally I would like to fit everything in one box, but I'm not sure if that will be possible. So I have two, just in case. And what excited me the most was these little boxes, which I couldn't resist. So they are by the same brand and they just little baby boxes. And I don't know, they just make me happy. I love them. So I will be putting some smaller parts in those little boxes and hopefully I will have some more organization. Whew. Okay, so this is what I'm dealing with. This pile over there is just everything from the drawers which I have in the table, and this pile over there I think it's basically empty boxes which I'm planning to use to organize things, because I always have a box full of boxes and I think that's starting to be a problem. But today is the day when I will be able to use those boxes. Woohoo! So I was thinking that I will be able to do decluttering Marie Kondo style, but I think that it might be really difficult to do that because most of these things that you see here, they do bring me joy because that's my hobby. It wouldn't be my hobby if it didn't bring me joy. But I will try my best and I will try and consider letting go of some things, but I don't have very high hopes for that. Yeah, I think I'll make myself a cup of tea and start organizing, and yeah, and I'll try to film as much as possible and I'll keep you updated on my progress. Okay, so 1 cup of tea later, I have a little pile of ribbons there. That's not all of my ribbons. I have to find them somewhere there. So I found a box full of other boxes. I warned you, I have a problem. So this year I bought an advent calendar, and it was Amazon Beauty advent calendar, and it had every item was put in these lovely boxes, and I really love the patterns on them, but I don't think that I will be able to use them to store anything. They're not very convenient for storage, so I thought that I will cut them and save the nice patterned paper for making cards. So that's what I started to do there, and I thought I will update you because that's what happened after 1 cup of tea. And I guess I will need more because yeah, that's very little progress. It's been a couple of hours and there's not much progress. Ah, I'm starting to get a bit stressed about this, but I'll finish somehow. So this little box, I have all my writing pens and all bullet journaling highlighters. This little box is all my drawing pens, and this one just there are my pencils, and in this green box I have all my erasers and sharpeners, and that box is all my tools. So I have scissors and paper knives and hole punchers and so on. Feeling a bit down at the moment, not gonna lie. I thought it will be so much quicker than it is, but I will try and stay positive. I think the good idea would be go and eat something and make another cup of tea, I guess. So at this point I'm just tired. I wanted to make this organization system work for me and make it useful for me, but now I see that it might not happen today. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to finish packing everything. I will put them in those 2 lovely boxes. As you could see from my last clip, I had a little bit of a meltdown yesterday, so this is day 2 of organizing my art stuff, and I've got 2 more boxes. And remember when I said that I wish I could fit into one? Well, not all dreams come true. So I actually couldn't fit into 2 of the boxes. Hopefully I will be able to fit everything into 3, and then I have one spare one to put something else in. This was much more stressful than I anticipated, and I thought that I will be able to declutter some of the craft stuff, but I've got so tired trying to organize all the different materials into categories that I couldn't even think about decluttering. So now my current idea is just to put everything nicely into categories, and then when I'm actually going to create something, I will be able to go through, for example, go through all my pattern papers and decide if I want to keep all of them. And yeah, as I think I mentioned, it's going to be a work in progress. So after about 20 minutes of playing Tetris with all the boxes, I managed to put everything into 3 boxes, and I'm so excited. I now have to figure out where I will put those boxes, but that's for another time. So what I would like to show you is how one of my drawers looks like, because I think it looks kinda exciting. So here's my drawer, all organized. Ba-ba-da-bum. So I have one box here where I have all of my drawing pens, and here I have all of my washi tapes, and that little box just there I have all my writing pens, mostly black gel pens. And that little box is all of my pencils, and I think I mentioned that before. In this box I keep all of my sharpeners and erasers, and by the side I have my rulers and my brushes. I don't have all of my brushes here in UK. Also, I don't have all my paints and watercolors. They're still back at home with my parents, so that's why I only have, I think, 4 brushes in case I need them. So when I get my paints, I will probably fill in that 4th box with brushes and paints. And here I have a label maker, and underneath I have some sticky notes, and those are how even they called? They're also sticky notes, but they are just like bookmark sizes. So that's all for this drawer, and I don't know why, but I'm really pleased with myself looking at this drawer. Maybe because everything's in their categories and it's easy to find everything, and that wasn't the case before. And just underneath it I have this drawer in which I have my Inktober drawing, which no one actually saw because it's not completed yet. Hopefully I will manage to finish it until next Inktober. I would like to finish it because I really like it. Yeah. And there at the back I have my old bullet journal, and I think I have some new notebooks that I haven't used yet. Then in the middle, those are my boyfriend's notebooks, and at the front I have my sketchbook. What else is in there? And some other notebooks. Right, so those are 3 full boxes of my art and craft stuff. I'm really pleased that I finally finished it, and I'm really pleased that everything is neatly put into those boxes. I'm quite excited to start doing something new because it's been a while since I made anything. I feel really happy. So thank you for sticking until the end of this journey, and I hope to see you really soon, and just have a lovely day. Bye!